Alright, so we were working on 6G and we had already established our sine graph for velocity and our sine graph for acceleration. And so we were going through and identifying where velocity and acceleration were the same sign, so they would be speeding up, and where they were opposite signs, so they would be slowing down. And so we had seen from 0 to 1 that velocity was positive and acceleration was negative. So from 0 to 1 it was slowing down. Then we had seen from 1 to 1.25 that they were both negative, so that it would be speeding up. Alright, then from 1.25, that's where we're picking up now. From 1.25 on for acceleration, it's positive. And for 1.25 to 1.5, velocity is negative. So from 1.25 to 1.5, we have opposite signs, negative and positive, so it's going to be slowing down. And then from 1.5 on, velocity is positive, and from 1.5 on, acceleration is positive. So from 1.5 on to infinity, it will be speeding up. Alright, then for number 7, we've got f of x is equal to 2 sine x minus cosecant x plus 4 tangent x. So remember that the derivative of sine is a positive cosine. Originally, I think there may have been a negative on your solution sheet, so make sure that that has been corrected. So the derivative of sine is a positive cosine, and so 2 times that would be 2 cosine. The derivative of cosecant is a negative cosecant cotangent, so we've got minus a negative or plus there. And then the derivative of tangent is secant squared, so 4 times that we would have 4 secant squared. Now nothing that we can combine in there, so that's going to be our final answer for the derivative of our trig function.